We don't believe in that. You see, the fact that we are so silent tells us how much the Western educational system has really conditioned our thinking.
ለዶክትሬት ፕሮግራም ስኮላርሺፕ እያፈላለኩ ነበረ።
I'm the president and co-founder of Refocus Africa.
I started getting African Americans to go to Ivy League universities, to Harvard, Princeton, Yale, all these universities, Princeton and Stanford.
ፓርት ታይም ሰራለሁ ሆቴል ላይ እና ዶክተር ሊሳ ከስተመሪ ናት እና የመታ የመጀመሪያ ይሄን ሀሳብ ስታቀርብልኝ እንደዚህ ከእናንተ ጋራ በሼር አድርጋ እንደምትሰራ አላውቅም ነበረ።
At Refocus Africa, we've brought this event to you today for two reasons. One, we want to introduce cultural diplomacy. Our goal is to train 1 million youth from Ethiopia on cultural diplomacy.
The event was wonderful. It's always good to have an HBCU, Vorhees University. I'm so happy that the president is here and his all executive team. So the event was absolutely wonderful.
The passion is there. They came very early and they sat down and they were quiet. You can see how they stood on the queue for that long hours to just come in and sit down and experience the conference. So it's obvious the fact is there that they are very passionate.